This is my 1955 Willys pickup truck. Little video of it here. The bed is just full of sticks, but the bed is in good shape. There's no holes in it. It's been sitting about a week, so let me fire it up. This truck always starts very well. In the middle of winter or middle of summer, cranks up right away. Has a horn, headlight switch, high beams down here on the floor. It works. It's a 3-speed transmission, high and low range for 4-wheel drive, has a heater, there's a blower motor down here, truck runs good. Headlights are on. It's a pretty quiet truck. I'm going to set this and drive it up the road. So that's the truck. Start it one more time just to show you. Barely hit the switch, fires right up. Super Hurricane straight 6.